So today we are diving into the top 5 microfiber drying towels specifically for big trucks. And I mean the kind that actually hold water, not those flimsy ones that just push it around. I tested all of these on full-size trucks to see which ones can handle the job without leaving streaks or water spots. I've got everything from 2-pack bundles to premium single towels, and the differences are actually pretty interesting. All the links are in the description below if you want to check any of these out. Let's jump right in. Starting off strong with the KKV 2-pack drying towel, and honestly, this is probably the best value on the list. You get 2 towels that are 35 by 24 inches, which is a really solid size for trucks. The first thing I noticed is the twisting yarn technology. Basically, the fibers are designed to trap water instead of just spreading it around. So I took this out to dry a Silverado after a wash, and yeah, one towel handled the entire truck bed and tailgate without needing to wring it out. The PE-edged microfiber means there's no scratching, which is huge if you care about your paint. It's also machine washable, which, let's be real, you're gonna need that. The dual-sided design works great too. Both sides are equally absorbent, so you can flip it and keep going. On the pros side, you get 2 towels, so if one's in the wash, you've got a backup ready to go. Super absorbent. Holds way more water than I expected for the price point. Streak-free finish, absolutely no water spots left behind, and it's paint safe with those soft edges, so you don't have to worry about swirl marks. The cons, the GSM isn't listed on the product page, so you're kind of guessing on the exact thickness, and it's not the absolute biggest size out there compared to some 40-inch options. But for the price and the fact you get 2 towels, this is a no-brainer for most people. Again, links in the description if you want to grab this one. All right, let's move on to the ExoForma Mega Drying Towel. Now, this one caught my attention because it claims to hold up to 9 pounds of water. I was a little skeptical at first, but yeah, it's legit. This towel is 1200 GSM with a double twist pile design, and it's 24 by 36 inches. I used this on a Ford F-150, and the absorption is honestly ridiculous. Like, I dried the entire hood and roof without wringing it once, and the towel was still pulling water off the paint. The edgeless design is nice too. No seams to worry about scratching anything. What I really liked is how quick the drying process was. I mean, you literally just glide it across the surface and the water disappears. No second pass is needed. For pros, that 9-pound water capacity is no joke. It's probably the most absorbent towel on this list. 1200 GSM feels really premium in your hands, nice and thick. Edgeless construction means a zero scratch risk, which is perfect for newer trucks. And it's quick and effortless. One pass and you're completely done with each panel. Cons? It's just one towel, not a pack, so you're paying more per towel. And it's slightly smaller than some other options at 24 by 36. If you want maximum absorption and don't mind paying a bit more for a single premium towel, this is probably your pick. Now let's see how the Blackline compares drying towel. This is a popular one, like over 250,000 detailers apparently trust this thing, which says a lot. It's 1300 GSM with twisted loop technology, and it's the same 24 by 36 size. What stands out here is the one-pass drying claim, and yeah, it actually delivers on that promise. I dried an entire Ram 1500 with one towel, and it didn't leave any streaks or lint behind. The towel absorbs about a gallon of water, which is wild when you think about it. It's also 100% lint-free, which is something I've had issues with on cheaper towels in the past. The twisted loops really do trap water deep in the fibers instead of just moving it around. Pros here. 1300 GSM is thicker than most towels in this price range. One pass really does dry the whole truck without needing multiple wipes. Zero lint or streaks, which keeps your paint looking perfect. And it's popular with pros for a reason. It just works consistently. The cons, only one towel in the pack, so no backup. And the price is a bit higher than budget options, though still reasonable for what you get. If you're serious about detailing and want pro-level results every time, this is solid. The hype is real with this one. So yeah, next up is the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Drying Towel. This one's 36 by 25 inches with a 1-inch thick plush pile. Chemical Guys is a big name in detailing, so I was curious to see if this lived up to the brand reputation. First impressions, this thing is thick, like noticeably thicker than the others when you pull it out of the package. It's a 70-30 microfiber blend and it holds over a gallon of water easily. The silk-banded edges are a nice touch. They feel premium and definitely won't scratch your clear coat. I used this on a Chevy Tahoe and it handled the whole thing easily, even the large, flat surfaces like the hood and roof. The pros: that 1-inch plush pile is crazy soft, feels almost luxurious for a drying towel, holds over a gallon of water without feeling overly saturated. Silk edges feel premium and add durability to the towel, and it works on paint, glass, chrome, wheels, basically everything on your truck. Cons: some users say it sheds a little bit of lint when it's brand new, though this goes away after the first wash, and it's lower GSM compared to others on this list, sitting around 540, which is still decent but not the highest. It's a reliable choice, especially if you're already buying Chemical Guy's products and want to stick with the brand. Just wash it once before the first use to avoid any lint issues. And finally, we've got the SMINDER 2-pack drying towel. These are 36 by 24 inches with 1200 GSM and a double twist pile design. Similar to the KKV, you're getting 2 towels here, which is awesome for the price. I tested these on a Toyota Tundra and they performed really well across the board. The edgeless design means no scratches whatsoever, and the double twist pile actually does prevent streaks really effectively. The size is great too. 36 inches gives you a lot of coverage per swipe, so you're not constantly repositioning the towel. For pros, you get 2 towels for the price, which gives you great value. The 100 GSM is high quality and you can feel the difference. Edgeless and completely scratch-free on any surface. Streak-free finish every single time without fail. The cons: not quite as absorbent as the ExoForma Mega, though it's still very good. And the towels are a bit heavy when fully soaked with water, which might bother some people. If you want a premium 2-pack option with solid GSM ratings, this is your best bet. Really competitive with the KKV, just depends on whether you want the extra GSM. If you want the best overall value, go with the KKV 2-pack. 2 towels, great performance, and you can't beat the price. For maximum absorption, the ExoForma Mega is unmatched. That 9-pound capacity is insane. If you're a detailing pro or just want the best performance, the Blackline is worth the investment. The Chemical Guy's Woolly Mammoth is perfect if you want a trusted brand with that plush feel. And the SMINDER 2-pack is a great premium alternative to the KKV if you want higher GSM. Honestly, you can't really go wrong with any of these. It just depends on whether you want a 2-pack for convenience, maximum absorption, or pro-level performance. So yeah, hopefully this helped you figure out which towel is right for your specific truck and needs. All the Amazon links are down below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.